Hello everyone, we have to discuss about the DUPPC's paper TYQ solve the MCQ. Explanation and analysis देख लेते हैं 991 पेपर वैदिक civilizations. Question number 1. The word Satyameva Jayate has been taken from the Mundaka Upanishad, and the word Satyameva Jayate has been taken from the Mundaka Upanishad, and it is the inscript, and it the base of the loin capitals of the Ashokas and form and the integral part of the Indian national anthems. Shutra period, epic period, and the Sangham period. Question number 2 देख लेते हैं. Which one of the following is the elitist branch of the Indian philosophy? A. Sankhyas and the Samkhyas, and is the earliest school of the Indian philosophy, and Kapil was the propounders of the Sakya school of the Indian philosophy. It is believed and that the nature is the creation of the world and not God, and after the 4th century BC is the belief and was the changes and the prakrits, nature and Purush souls. Both were assumed to be in the creation of the worldly things, and earlier philosophy was the materialistic, but later its turns toward the spirituals, and this the philosophy believed that the enlightenment is the only ways to get the salvations. The propounders of the others and thoughts of the Indian philosophy is as the follow. Propounders Indian philosophical schools: Jaimini का मीमांसा, Kanad, Vaisheshik, Patanjali Yoga, Gautam's Nyaya, and Vedanta, Badrayan, Kapil, Sankyas. बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म एंड भगवतिज्म एंड द सैविज्म की कल्चर्स देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द बुद्धिज्म टीचिंग आर द रिलेटेड टू द प्रैक्टिस एंड द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ कंडक्ट. डी इज करेक्ट. आफ्टर द austerities for more than 6 years, and the Siddhartha Buddhas and got the enlightenment on and the Nirjanas, Niranjana rivers and bank below the people's trees, and later known as the Bodhi Brakshas in the Bodh Gaya. The basic teachings of the Buddhas, and which are the core to Buddhism, are the 3 and the universal truth, the 4 noble truth, and the novels 8 path in the Buddhism, and the law of the karma says that the responsibilities for unskillful action is borne by the persons who commits them. The 3 practices of the Buddhism are the Shilas, virtues, God conduct, morality, Samadhi, concentrations, meditations, mental development, and the Prajnas, discernment, insights, wisdoms, and enlightenment. Hence, the Buddha's teachings are related to the practices and the sanctity of good conduct. Mauryans and the post-Mauryan period. Question number 4 देख लेते हैं. Which ruler has bones and the Malwas, Gujarat and the Maharashtra for the first time? Chandragupta Maurya and was the first ruler who conquered and the Malwas, Gujarat and the Maharashtra region for the first time, and the Maurya Empire was founded in the 322 BC by the Chandragupta Maurya, and who had overthrown and the Nanda dynasty and the repeatedly expanded his powers westward across and central and the western Indias in order to take advantage of the disruptions of the local powers in the back of the withdrawal of the Alexander the Great's army. Question number 5 देख लेते हैं. The Mauryan prince and the Kanishkas becomes the ruler in the year 78 AD. The timings of the Sarnath Buddhism sculptures of the Kanishkas is 81 AD, and the epic give an account of fact related to the Buddhism during the contemporary period. The sculptures epic was brought to Sarnath from the Mathura in the third years of the coronation of Kanishkas. The Kanishkas had the initiated Shakas Sambat in 78 AD, the year of his the coronations. Purushpur, Peshawar and was his the capitals and was the Mathuras and was the second capitals of the Kushan's empire. Question number 6 देख लेते हैं. Which ruler has the bird and stupas of the Sanchis? B. Ashoka. Basically, the Sanchi Sput is believed and to be the constructed by the Mauryan emperors Ashokas, and while it was the modified and the encircled and with stone during the Pushyamitra Sungha's resigns, and the Sanchi Stupas is recognized as the best stupas constructed by Ashoka. Political and social situations and between the 800 CE and 1200 CE. ये देख लेते हैं. Question number 7. Ramanujacharya is related to, in which related to the Vishisht Advaitvad. Vishisht Advaitvad. C is correct. The Ramanujan and philosophical founders and was the qualified and monism and is called the Vishisht Devta in the Hindu tradition. His the ideas and are one of the three and the sub schools in Vedanta. The others and two are the known as the Adi Shankaradvaita and Absolute Moniska and Madhvacharya's Devta Dualism. Question number 8 देख लेते हैं. The Kendriyas and Mahadev's temples of Khajuraho was worldwide. Chandelas and the Kandriya Mahadev temple was built by the Raja Dang Devas, a strong Chandelas rulers in 950 and 1050 AD. Shiva is the chief deity of these temples, and this temple is the largest among the three groups of the Khajuraho and the complex of the temples, namely Kandriya Mahadeveshwara and the Vishwanath temples. Question number 9 देख लेते हैं. In which of the following areas the estate of the Cholas and was accessed? D. Coromandel coast parts of the Deccan. The territorial extensions of the Chola dynasty and was in the regions of the Kaveri Valley and Coromandel's coast and parts of the Deccan, and such as the Tiruchirappalli and Tanjore. In earlier the Chola capitals and was the Pumpuhar, and but later the Urayars, and then Tanjore becomes the capitals of the Chola. Question number 10 देख लेते हैं. Meenakshi temples is located at Madurai. Meenakshi temple is located in the Madurai and districts of the Tamil Nadu, and which the Tamil Nadu is the devoted and to and Sundareswarar Shiv and his and the wife Meenakshi is called as Parvati, and there are the 2000 pillars in this temple. Question number 11 देख लेते हैं. Which South Indian state had the best villages administration? C. Cholas. So Cholas dynasty is known and for its and the specific locations and villages level administration in ancient Indian history. The village during and this the period and where the administrated through the democratically and formed villages government. Thus the concept of the local self-government and could be the found and during the Cholas regimes. The detail about the village administrations during the Cholas period and has been the found and from and Uthira Marur inscriptions and related to the Parantak first, and there were and three and the types of the villages called or the Yurasabha or Mahasabha and the Nagaram. The working committee of Ur was known as the Alunganam or Ganam, and Shaba or the Mahasabhas and was related to the Agrahar villages, and Brahmins dwelt and Peruguri was the working committee of the Sabha. It is the members and was the code and the Purumakals, the administrations of those villages and was and the managed by the committee code and the Varium. The members were called the Varyam Peru Mahakal. Varyam Peru Mahakal. It is the notables and that the villages, and they are divided into 30 wards. The members were elected and for the 3 years, and the eligibility criteria and to be the members and were the 30 years of age. Owner of 1.5 acres of land having theirs the own home and the knowledge of the Vedic hymns, and following were the men and committees of the villages administrations. Committees, departments, numbers of members. Committees: संवत्सर वेरियम कमेटी डिपार्टमेंट क्या था, हेड समिति, 12 मेंबर्स थे इसमें कि टोटा वरियम उद्यान समिति थी एंड 6 मेंबर्स थे, इरी वरियम जलसाया समिति थी एंड 6 मेंबर्स थे, एंड न्यायतार वरियम इसमें न्याय समिति थी इसमें 6 मेंबर्स थे, एंड कंका वरियम ये अकाउंट समिति थी इसमें 6 मेंबर्स थे. The capitals of the Chalukyas and was the Vatapi. The capital of the Chalukyas kingdom and was the Vatapi, located in the Bijapur districts of the Karnataka, and the place is now known as the Vadami now. The founders of the Chalukyas dynasty and was the Pulkeshians first, and the most powerful ruler of the dynasty was the Pulkeshian second, and who were the defeated Harshvardhanas. Question number 13 देख लेते हैं. Who was the greatest rulers of the Chalukya dynasty? C. Pulkeshian second and was the greatest ruler of the Chalukya dynasty, and Pulkeshian second commanded control over the entire Deccans and was the perhaps the greatest empires and of the Chalukya dynasty, and he is considered as one of the notable kings in Indian history. Pulakeshin second and 610 to 642 C acquired part of the Gujarat and Malwas and defeated and the North Indian rulers and Harshas of the Kannauj. Due to this the victory, the boundaries between them and was fixed on the Narmada river. Question number 14. Which of the following Chandela's dynasties and Chandela's rulers was not defeated by the Muhammad Ghaznavi? B. Vidyadhar. Chandela's rulers Vidyadhar was never defeated and by the Muhammad Ghaznavis, and he had killed and the Pratihara's rulers and the Rajyapals and fought and the surrender against the Muhammad Ghaznavis and without any struggles. Question number 15 देख लेते हैं. The Dilwala Jain temple is located at the Rajasthan. Dilwala Jain temple is located at the Mount Abu a hill station and the part of the Aravalli hills in Rajasthan. The Dilwala Jain temple and was built by the rulers of the Chalukya dynasty. Dilwala Jain temple is one of the world and most beautiful and the sacred pilgrims and of the Jain religious, and Dilwala temples are also known as to have the excellent architectures and incredible works of the marvelous carving. Medieval history Delhi Sultanate. Question number 16 देख लेते हैं. During the resign of which rulers and Ibn Battutas and troubles to India? A. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Explanation देख लेते हैं. During the reasons of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq's and Moroccan's troubles, Ibn Battutas troubles to India's, and he had started his journey from the North Africas and reached the court of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq in 1334 AD. And Muhammad bin Tughlaq had appointed his and the Qazi or the Islamic judge of the Delhi, and he serves on this the post and for about 8 years. And after all visited China's and the representative of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq and his famous books is Rehlas, in which he is the provided other detailed account of Indian peoples, their cultures and lifestyle. Question number 17 देख लेते हैं. Sultanate period and most of the rich and the Sultanate and Sultans had belongs to class. A. Turkeys. During the Sultanate period, most of the rich and the sultans and were belongs to the Turkish origins. Question number 18 देख लेते हैं. Sindh was the conquered by the Muhammad bin Qasim in the years of the 712 AD. The first Arab invaders of India and was initiated under the leadership of the Muhammad bin Qasim in 712 AD and in the Sindh regions, and that was ruled by the Jahir. At this the conquest was why Arabs and was not so effective and no Muslims and rules and could be established, and there the Muhammad bin Qasim and was and the Arabian Muslims. Question number 19 लिख लेते हैं. Who was the coast historians of the Muhammad Ghazni? Muhammad Ghazni. Utwi was the court historians of the Muhammad Ghazni, and it is in the notables that the Firdausi and was also the contemporary historians and in the courts of the Muhammad Ghazni and for some times, and but he left the court and due to the conflict and with the Muhammad Ghazni. Question number 12 देख लेते हैं. The Slavs of Muhammad Ghori was conquered. The Slavs of Muhammad Ghori and who conquered and Bengals and Bihar was and C. Bakhtiar Khilji. Qutb-ud-Din and Aibak are the Slavs of the Muhammad Ghori and who becomes the rulers, and after the death he is the mastered and founded the Slav dynasty in the Slav dynasty and ruled in the subcontinent and for about the 84 years, and it was the first Muslim dynasty and that ruled India, and he sent and the expenditures and to the invades and Bengals and Bihar and led by the Ikhtiyaruddin Muhammad bin Bakhtiar Khilji in 1203 AD, and Bakhtiar Khilji defeated the ruler of Bengal, Lakshman Sen, and destroyed Nalanda University. Question number 21 देख लेते हैं. Which famous historians gave the statement and an event victory without result in the context of the victory over the Sindh of the Arabs? C. Lanpole. The above statement and was made by the British historians and Stanley and Lanpole says that the Arabs invaders of the Sindh yielded no result as it is not the leaves any the political effect, what it is the culture's influence could not be denied. Mughal Empire. Question number 22 देख लेते हैं. The tomb of which and the Mughals and rulers is not in India. The tomb Humayun tomb not in India. Humayun तो है. औरंगजेब, जहांगीर, बाबर. The tomb of two and the Mughal Empire are not in the India. The tomb of the Jahangir is located in and the Shahadra, Lahore and Pakistan, and the tomb of the Babur is located in the Kabul, Afghanistan. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 देख लेते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशंस के साथ. The first and the Vedशालाs and the Jantar Mantar and was established and by the Savai Raja Jai Singh VIII. The Jaipur. Jai Singh II is third November 1688 and 21 September 1743 was the Hindu Rajput rulers of the kingdoms of the Ajmer. He later and founded the fortified and cities of the Jaipur and made it his the capitals, and he was born at the Ambar, the capitals of the Kachwahas. He moved his the kingdom's capitals from the Ambars and to the newly established cities of the Jaipur in 1727 and performed two and the Ashwameghas and sacrifice once in 1734 and again in the 1741. 5 observations were held at the Delhi, Mathuras, Banaras, Ujjain and his and upon the capitals of the Jaipur. The first and Vedshala's observatory, Jantar Mantar, was held in the Jaipur. His astronomical observation was the remarkabilities and accurate he He drew up a set of the tables. He drew up a set of other tables entitled Anjil Muhammad Shayan to the enables and purpose to make the astronomical observation. He translate and the eclipse and elements of observations. He translation Euclid elements of geometry into the Sanskrit, and also the several works on the trigonometry and Napier's work on the constructions and use of logarithm. Marathas dynasty. Maratha dynasty का देख लेते हैं. The Astha and the Pradhan. The Ashtapradhan capital was in the eras of Shivaji. Ashtapradhan capital is era in Shivaji. The Ashtapradhan and was the council of the minister in the Shivaji administration, and Ashtapradhan included in the following designation: Peshwas is called as a prime minister, and the Sumant and foreign minister, Majumdar finance minister, Vakid home minister, Surunabis royals correspondence, and Pandit Rao religious ministers, and Sar-e Naubat chief commanders, and these chief justice. Modern history: decline of the Mughal empires and the beginnings and of the European trading company, who has completed the Isthmiari settlements. See Lord Cornwallis. The Isthmiari settlement and was known as the permanent settlement, and which was an agreement between the East India Company and the Bengal landlord to the fixed revenues and to be the raised and from the land, and it was implemented in the 1793 and by the Lord Cornwallis, then the Governor Generals of Bengal. Revolt and mass movement of the 19th century and 26 questions देख लेते हैं. During the revolt of the 1857, and who was the British Prime Minister? 1857 British Prime Ministers. Palmerston. During the revolt of the 1857, and who was the British Prime Minister? Palmerston. Viscount Palmerston and was the British Prime Minister, and during the revolt of the 1857, he was born on 20 October 1784, and he serves as the Prime Minister son of the Britain, and from the 1855 and to 1865 until his death. The Oudh State. Question number 27 देख लेते हैं. The Awadh state was merged and with the British empires, and during the time of the Dalhousie on the basis of a misgovernance charges. A. The Lord Dalhousie annexed and Awadh in the 1856, and after deposing Annabad and Wajid Ali Shah, and on the grounds of the mis and the governance and charges, although the Wajid Ali Shah was the capable rulers, and the British resistance and gave and the exaggerated reports about his complaints to the company's authorities, and thus the reports provided the East India Company's and reason and for the war to conquer the Awadh. On 7th February 1857, and Lord Dalhousie orders to depose Wajid Ali Shah, and on the account of the alleged and internal misrules, and this was in the lines and with and the Dalhousian doctrines of the lapse, in which the British and would take over other kingdoms, and if there were misruled, and also the kingdoms and of Awadh, and was annexed in February 1856. Thank you guys. This session will be closed. Bye bye.